What did we just do? Don't hit the car.
Yeah, no, I won't.
It's our house.
Yep.
We have a house, for real.
Yeah, finally, what? It's been a journey.
When you focus on what you're really after, then it can come true. I'm actually racing against the clock because I see that my battery is going out on my camera. If you're new here, my name is Marissa. Hello and welcome to my channel. It's called Squirrels of a Feather. I'm so excited to have you here. We decluttered our entire home last year down to 8 suitcases and moved overseas to Europe. And we've been living in a 1-bedroom furnished apartment since then while we look for a house. We literally found our dream house and I can't wait to share it with you, which is what I'm gonna do today. If you want to see me cleaning the house later, I plan on doing an empty house clean with me. So make sure that you go down and subscribe to my channel by hitting the button down below. Don't forget to ring the bell so that you get notified when I go live or share the new video, and you can get all that info hot and fresh. It's your house.
Your new house.
Are you excited? We have a house. We have a house.
Yep, I hope you guys will be happy here.
Yay! Are you guys excited to have a house?
Yay! Yay! Yay!
So let's get the tour started, and sorry for the mess. This is our cleaning supplies and shoes and other things. After you come in the entryway, then we're gonna step into my husband's office, which you can see is very full of light and really beautiful floors and space. I just love it. It's so bright and the ceilings are so high. We love the herringbone floors. What do you think? My husband also has a cute little balcony out there that you can't really see super well because it's so light. Sorry for my videography skills, guys. So from his office, we're going to go into what's going to be my office, and it has a nice bright window too, high ceilings, and the same floors. We're also going to make this into a guest room and put a futon in one of the corners. So that is the current plan. And take a look at the ceilings. How cool is that? I don't know what that's called. Is it stucco? Leave me a comment below if you know. By the way, you probably will notice that we change clothes or the lighting changes, and that's because I had to film this over different days because honestly, mom life and the echoes in here, because it's so empty and the ceilings are high, are horrible. But anyway, so let's go check out the bathroom in the front. It's like the powder room, but it actually has a full shower in it. And this is where our washer is going to go. We probably won't have a dryer. Actually, most homes in Germany don't have dryers, so that should be fun.
It has an echo voice. It has an echo voice. Stop jumping. I want to see the balcony.
One of the really cool things that I wanted to point out is some of these windows and hardware to the windows are original to the apartment. Time for a tour of the balcony. Let's go.
Is that a mouse hole, Mom?
I don't know what that is. I'm thinking now it's probably for water drainage, and disclaimer, I did not kill those plants. They came dead. Oh my gosh, wait until you see this kitchen. Come on, come on. Where's the kitchen? Sorry guys, I was totally trolling you. So the truth is that most places in Germany don't actually come with kitchens. Even when people rent, they take their kitchens with them. So we have started searching for our kitchen because we currently don't have one, and it's a little bit scary to be searching for kitchens when you're trying to be doing social distancing. But I mean, we need a kitchen, so we are on the hunt. Check out this absolutely insane pantry. I couldn't believe how much storage they had in this one pantry that swings out really cool. I don't know if we have space for it in our house, but it was really fun to look at. So here's a close-up of some of the paint colors that we were considering for our kitchen cabinets, and if you see something you like, feel free to drop me a comment below. There it is compared to the floor. The floors are lovely, but not the same floors that we have in the other room, by the way. But this is the kitchen, and we've already kind of started plotting out where we want to put things with painter's tape, which is my little handy trick for you. I am so happy to have a bathtub again.
Yeah.
Right? Oh my gosh. Not like that. Oh! We have water like you guys have never seen water. Look at this random black toilet paper that's in here. Is this like charcoal toilet paper for detoxing your butt crack? I could not stop thinking about the black toilet paper. So I went online and I just looked up black toilet paper, and I guess it's just literally to look cool. It comes in all sorts of different colors. So you too can have black toilet paper in your home, or pink or green or blue or any color you want. Now you know. Now we are going to step into what's going to be our bedroom. So even though this is the smallest room, we actually decided that we're going to make it the master bedroom and give the boys the larger bedroom because they're going to share the space for now. So we're going to keep it very minimalist in here, just a bed, a wardrobe, and perhaps 2 nightstands, and that's about it. Oh, your room is that one on the end. Go and check it out. Let's go see. Open the door.
But it's so small.
What?
Yeah.
It's not small. You guys have the biggest room. Look at this beautiful archway here. What am I gonna do with that? If you have any ideas for how I can decorate the archway, leave me a comment in the comment section below, because I want to do something special with this. Wow, look at that view. Beautiful. Obviously, you can see that we have a lot to do before we move in. This desk was the first piece of furniture that we bought, and this is going to be going in my office. My husband and I spent a long time trying to figure out how to put this together. We didn't realize that it was going to require a degree in rocket science.
Today is our lucky day.
Not their lucky day, it's ours.
We got our house today and we found a bunch of 4-leaf clovers.
Hey, she
How many
had
did
2.
you find?
I
have
found
2.
3. I found 3.
Yep. Show me yours. Show me yours.
Oh yeah.
I hope that you enjoyed our tour today. Thanks for coming along.
Thanks for coming along. Please subscribe to our channel.